a new vodka lands, a new majority, ya tú sabes. Next step, la Casa Blanca. No hay carro, no vamos en balsa. Mommy, you know the drill. They won't know what I got.
My favorite lady when it comes to fashion, Maria B. Maria, कैसी है?
He is so cute.
Thank
it's
you.
so good for my ego when I see him. Seriously, we should meet every day so that I feel good about life.
No, wow, mashallah, very good. Okay, just before you, we talked, with Amar Bilal. Amar is the guy. जब बंदों की बात आती है ना, he knows कि कैसे you have to look so groom and all that. और मेरे personally, I believe कि जब लड़कियों की बात आती है, there is no other name than Maria B.
That is so sweet. That's adorable.
Maria ठंड है, खीर किस्म की. We need to know कि आजकल क्या trends है because जो लड़कियाँ New Year parties या उसके बाद जो शादियाँ, शादी का season on हो जाएगा, मुहर्रम खत्म होने के बाद, उनको बताएं, what to wear.
I think what's really important is if you're going for a Western look, to have a statement piece, whether it's a red lipstick, whether it's a chunky ring, whether it's a nice jacket. This is the only time that we can wear jackets or sweaters or cardigans and coats, overcoats. So go ahead and do invest in something which is really different, very, very interesting. Also, I think in winters is the time that you invest in brooches. Brooches, like I've got 2 of them right here. They add a lot to anything that you're wearing. Even if you're wearing a black dress, a simple black dress.
Just put a brooch on it and that's it.
It's just jazzes it up. So for winter, I think these are the accessories you can go wild with because there's not enough prints happening. Winter is somewhere everybody's wearing dark tones. Also, in this season, there's a lot of gold happening. In the sense, even if it's a black dress, you have amazing gold chandeliers or something chunky in your hands.
It stands out.
It stands out a lot. It spices up the outfit. It makes it more evening, more party-ish. So go for that. Even have, I just saw Jugan with this gorgeous eyeshadow, which is shimmery shades of golds. Fantastic.
We'll show you Jugan also. Don't worry.
Yes, you must show that.
Yeah.
So, all these accessories is a big thing that you should do in winters.
Yeah.
After that, shadis ke liye, there's 2 ways to go. Either you do the elegant, sophisticated fusion line in which you have nice cuts and in it little understated embroideries. Like I showed in the bridal week, I had a few collections which was, a one-off. You wear a bodysuit or pants with a nice top, which is very it looks very couture. And then the other thing is you go all out and you do the whole shebang of, bright colors, bright jewelry. It depends on you. But go ahead and experiment. Don't be scared.
Again, the point is to experiment.
Yes.
Because when winters are there, you can put on layers, different layers, 2-3 चीजें पहने, especially for मैंने Amar ने बताया, winters के लिए आपको Maria भी ने बताया. I think officially my show is the best fashion show right now because I have so many giants with me telling me about fashion. So you guys please do listen to them and work on it. Anyway, Maria, let's come back to your fashion.
Okay.
Okay? What is this? Tell me.
Oh, this is head to toe M-Girl. I'm wearing an M-Girl jacket and I love this jacket. It reminds me of Chanel. I love the collars on it. The brooches are also M-Girl. The ring is M-Girl. The boots, which are interesting, frilly and yet casual at the same time. And you can spice it up as well. Anyway, those are M-Girl as well. The pants are M-Girl. Only the shirt is my own sweater.
Well, tell me one thing. जब ये लड़कियों के पास you have this option to go to M-Girl. We don't have Topman here, River Island here. So we have to go somewhere else for that. But when you have M-Girl, please do go there and buy this kind of stuff.
Look, fashion is about fun. It's about creativity. You should not be afraid to experiment when it comes to fashion. Something like the look you're carrying, not enough men do that. I keep telling everybody around me, why aren't men experimenting with fashion? You can carry so much. You can change the way you feel, the way you look. You can change an outfit by one accessory. So please do spend on accessorizing. Change your makeup. If you're wearing the same bland makeup every day, wear something like, I'm wearing red lipstick today. Even my husband was like, isn't that a bit too red? I said, no.
Yeah.
There's no such thing. You just have to carry it well and do it confidently.
And after today, after Amar Bilal and Maria B, मुझे एक भी जोगी सड़क पे नजर आया, I personally kill you. I will kill you, no doubt. After such a long debate, आप लोग इतनी help करते हैं, you tell people about fashion and all that. We still end up looking people like, oh, हमें तो पता ही नहीं, हमें बताया ही नहीं किसी ने. This happens with me. So I seriously say कि we do shows like this for you guys.
And you should check out the way he accessorizes as well. I mean, for men, there are hardly anybody. Yes, and I love the
Dog
beady
tag.
necklace. Yeah, the dog tag at the end. I mean, it has, I could only see the beads on top, and I love the Arab scarf all twirled up
See?
in the head. I mean, these are the little things that just bring your personality out. It says that you have taste, and you can actually play with different looks. If you go with the same look every day of your life, you're going to be boring.
Yeah, Jogi also.
Jogi.
Anyway, thank you, Maria.
Thank you
Lovely
so
talking
much.
to you.
Lovely
Thanks a
talking
lot.
to you.
Thanks.
Pero mira que tú estás buena y mira que tú estás dura. Baby, no me hables más y tíramelo, mami chula. No games.
Okay, now I have with me Mohammad Mehdi, another big name for fashion industry, and look at him, looking really posh all the time. You love black color, right?
I do love black color. I love black color for myself.
Okay, Mehdi, because New Year is about to come. We need you to tell us, please, what's in fashion in New Year? See, especially for girls and all that. ये शादी season is also on. तो लड़कियों को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा मैं मोहम्मद मेहदी उन्हें बताएं कि क्या पहनना चाहिए.
Sure, because I believe this is the best time of the year, because that is all we want always. A little bit of chill, good weather, and you can always wear a lot of layers on yourself. Layer means, when we talk about layers, then we talk about colors, because this winter is all about color for me. I am actually, me at Mehdi, focusing a lot on different materials, different layers, especially chiffons, velvets, silks, and plus a lot of beautiful jewel colors, so that you can feel a little more happy. There is so much festivities going on these days, from the shadi season to Christmas to New Year. So it's all about color, it's all about life, it's all about celebrations. So yes, I would tell all the girls to wear something nice, something long, something flowy, with the dashes of colors and layers for sure, because that's the major thing, that's the major ingredient of the year.
Thanks a lot, Mehdi. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Lovely talking to you. Thank
Same.
you. This is Mohammad Mehdi for you guys, telling you what to wear and what not to wear.